You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
So because these are protruding out beyond this, too far, I had to mark them, and I'm going to cut them, put 2 flat washers in here, so I can run it all the way down, and then bring it to the mark that I made before I took the spacer off. Problem is I only got 4 washers, 2 per stud. I'm gonna be here a while. Two for one going down, so this might be a long video, but we got these going on the 240 because, as you know, the turbo manifold, we don't have a downpipe or anything set up, so we're going to throw those headers on. That hole is done. Oh my God. So I knew about that bolt being missing, but didn't realize the threads were done. So we're gonna run it NA. You're wondering why the intake. We have to run it NA first, get it running. You remember back in El Paso, I had issues getting it running. It'll turn, but it won't stay running. So right now we're just gonna throw the headers on it, get it started when the fuel pump gets here, and go from there. So back to the G. So this video is gonna be uploaded without anything being accomplished because, for one, you bought the wrong kit. That kit is for these babies right here. Okay? Not like this. Not for that. So send the guys an email. Hopefully we can get the right thing over here. That's one. Two, I had to basically butcher this thing, and this is the 3rd manifold since I've owned this car that I've had to do like that too. So turbo manifolds out, turbos out, everything. We just got to get this fitted up so that when we install the fuel pump tomorrow and start the car, we're good to go. All right, but I ain't getting shit done today. I'm just gonna finish cutting these studs and throw the wheels back on, put it on the ground. Because I got 1, 2, 3. Didn't really get nothing accomplished today, but hey, got y'all a video. Keep y'all updated. Know what's going on. And we go from there. Appreciate y'all sticking around through the journey. Whole lot more to come. Because once that's done, I know everybody's gonna want numbers. That's done. Everybody want to see it rolling. So it is what it is. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. All right. Appreciate you watching.